Split and Share is a Google Sheets add-on that enables you to split the data located in one of your sheets into one or multiple new individual spreadsheet files. In our current spreadsheet, we have multiple sheets with different datasets or tables. For this example, I want to split the table located in the Forms Response sheet. To make it easier for you to understand, I will sort data by column E, which is the column that has a unique criteria that will decide how this table is split. We can now clearly see that we have three different values in the column Who is your coach, a group of rows for Mary, another group of rows for Mike, and another for Robert. With Split and Share, we can split this table into different new spreadsheets. Each new file created will only have the information of the unique value from the column I decide to use, and at the same time, we can decide to share these new files with other users. In this particular case, the add-on will create three new files, one file with all the rows that have Mary in column E, another file with all the rows that have Mike, and another file with all the rows that have Robert. After you have installed the add-on from the marketplace and run the initial setup, a new parameter sheet will be created in your spreadsheet where you will define the split and share criteria you want to use. We now need to follow 4 easy steps to split this table. Step 1, select the sheet containing the table or dataset you want to split. I will select the form response sheet. Step 2, select which column you want to use that has the criteria to split the table into multiple new files. I will select the column Who is your coach. Step 3, give a name to the new files. I will name them Report. Step 4, select a location in your Google Drive for these files to be stored. You will have to copy the folder ID for one of your Google Drive folders. Additionally, you can, at this time, decide if you also want to share these new files with any specific users of your choice, grant specific sharing permissions, and decide as well if you want to send a one-time Google Drive notification to those users that you have shared the files with them. We can also decide if we want to place all new files into a unique Google Drive folder, or we can specify a unique Google Drive location for each file, again, always using the folder ID notation. After we're done setting up the parameter sheet, we can now run the add-on. We go to the Extensions menu, Split and Share, and select Run Add-on. If you do not see the Run Add-on option, but you have already run the initial setup, please simply refresh your spreadsheet. We now run the add-on. We wait for a few seconds while the add-on runs. Every time the add-on runs, it will autofill the activity report with all the information and URLs relevant to the new files it has created. If we now go to our Google Drive destination folder, we will find each unique file the add-on created, and we can see how the unique dataset has been split among these new files. Have in mind that the new files will have the data according to your selection, but the new files will not have any cell formatting.